Ain't a dollar sign tag on some piece of my jack. We could take a loss, we gon' get it right back. We could take a loss, we gon' get it right. We could take.
Hey guys, this is Chappell here and welcome to my channel. So this video I will be showing you how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so first things first, as you can see I got my spoolie and I'm brushing my eyebrows hair up. Okay, so I was looking for my jumbo eyebrow pencil. I got it from the hair store and I believe it was like $1 or $2. I don't remember. So right now, as you can see, I'm starting on the bottom of my brow and I'm just basically tracing my brow line. Now I'm going back in with my spoolie to brush my eyebrows hair up. Now I feel like you shouldn't rush this process as far as when you do your brows, because listen, you want to have your brows and your whole face beat. So honey, you got to make sure you want your brows to look crisp and sharp. Now you want to make sure you use a flat brush. I ordered all my makeup brushes from off Amazon and I believe it came in a 25 or a 26 makeup set, brushes set. But yeah, but I'm trying to figure out why in the world I pulled out 3 concealers when I'm only using 1. So in this video I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I will be applying that color to my lower brow area. Okay, so for my top brow, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Coconut. And as you can see, I'm applying that color on the top of my brow and trace it, you know, to give it that sharp, crisp look. And I'm cleaning up the edges and outline of the brow because I do not like that harsh line. You see how crisp and beautiful my eyebrows look? Like, I am very proud of myself because I always struggle with learning how to do brows and eyeshadow. And for me to always make sure I practice, you know they say practice makes perfect. And yes, it can be frustrating sometimes, but don't let that stopping you from, you know, getting better every day of practicing to learn how to do brows and eyeshadow, because trust me, I've been there. It's a process, but you will get it one day. And due to the rush, I'm sorry. Even though I applied the setting powder to my my eyelid, because I did beat my whole face because I was getting ready for the coronation practice that's supposed to be held at 5 o'clock, but they told us a different timing, so I had to hurry up and rush. But if you wanted to see my whole makeup look and how I achieved that look, please comment down below and let me know, or just, you know, inbox me on Instagram at Beauty by JB on Instagram, and just, you know, just screenshot the look you want me to do next, and I try my best to do it, because like I said, I'm in the process of still learning how to do brows and eyeshadow, and I am so happy with this look. And please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.